Hi, this is a room tour for one of the dorms in Corona Hall. So this is the average double. There are two closets when you walk in and a sink area, a mirror. At the sink area, there's outlets for your hair dryer, your electric toothbrush. This is also a medicine cabinet. And in the closet, there's a few drawers, hanger space, and a lot of storage space up top for like shoes or any other like containers you may have. And we also have two desks on each side. There are 7 drawers at the desk and cork boards and even more storage at the top for like textbooks or any storage containers. And over here is the setup for the beds. Now, this setup specifically is with two bed lofts. So usually when you get the room, initially it's just two beds on the floor. There's no futon. However, you can upgrade the room with bed lofts and get a futon. You and your roommate can both get bed lofts or one or the other, and brings a lot of extra space to the room. It's a really nice setup, and yeah, it's like the perfect space to move in freshman year and get to know like new people, make friends, have people over. So, thank you for listening.